today, guys. I'm going to be going ahead and showing you my 2008 335i N54. I started building this car about a year ago. Pretty much right now it's just full bolt-on, upgraded turbos, stage 2 Walbro fuel pump, 450, on slicks as you can tell. 15-inch conversion, got the 328i calipers in the back, 3.5 bar map sensor, tuned by CD919 on a custom tune. Right now it's on conservative tune. It goes to like 17-18 psi peak, but you know, sometimes, you know, it just depends on if it's cold or what's going on outside. But yeah, so that's pretty much it as far as the modification. It is a wrap on the outside. Probably gonna go ahead and take it off and start with something fresh and new soon enough. Nothing too crazy cosmetically.
Let's check out the hood, or under the hood.
Yeah, that's probably the cleanest part of the car, honestly. It's pretty fucking clean there. I didn't even really detail there, nothing.
Okay, what do we got going on under here?
Again, nothing too crazy. I mean, you can't even... Oh shit, no wonder my shit's falling. That shit's cracked. But you got the cracked hydraulic, you know. Yeah, nothing too crazy. It looks stock. Nobody would ever really know that it's not stock. You can't even see the upgraded inlets or the upgraded outlets, but they're in there. And you know, nothing crazy, just outer coils.
Tell them what you got. Tell them what you got.
What is it?
What do you got in here?
What do you mean?
What's the turbos you're in there? Are you stock?
Oh, yeah. I'm running 19T turbos, the Viv V3. They're great. I like them.
And what supporting mods do you need to run these turbos?
So pretty much supporting mods. The main thing you're gonna need to run these turbos is a custom tune. That's the #1 thing. If you don't have a custom tune, you're gonna blow these turbos like right off the bat. Just because like a lot of people, if you do your own research, a lot of people talk about like throttle closure and all that, and it's a real thing. And people wonder, they're like, oh, eBay, China, cheap. It's like, dude, like you're already paying cheap for the turbos. Like, just buy the custom tune. You got to get the custom tune, or else it's gonna mess up. There's no other way around it. You got to get the custom tune.
And how about the install for people thinking about wanting to go this route? Is it something that you could do in your garage?
Yeah. I've seen people. There's plenty of videos on people just actually doing it from the top right here. It's kind of blind, like you can't really see nothing, but they remove the coolant, drain the coolant, and then remove the boost canisters, and you know, and they could just do everything off the top right here instead of having to drop the entire subframe. I've seen a bunch of people do it, so I know it's possible.
So what about the cost? How much is that?
So for the turbos, I believe I got the inlets with it and the outlets, but the inlets were dogged. So I ended up getting rid of those because I seen people reporting that they were collapsing under high pressure of boost. So it actually blow your turbo. So I went ahead and upgraded to VRSF inlets.
So what's the total figure if you want to go this route?
I'd say, I think like 16, 17.
1700?
Just for the turbos and the inlets. Just for the turbos and the inlets.
With everything.
The outlets, that's probably like close to 19.
With everything needed to run it, supporting modifications.
Oh, so like, okay, so tunes, I'd say like, maybe like...
It's a ballpark number.
I mean, see, that's the thing though, is that like, you know, you could do it this way, but I mean, for me, I did all my proper maintenance. I did oil filter housing gasket, intake gasket.
So could you do it for 3K?
No, it's gonna be more than that.
Four?
Yeah, probably a little bit more than that. There's no way. It's just, if you don't factor in like all the maintenance, then yeah, you could for sure do it for like around 2.5 around there. But like, if you're not gonna be factoring in maintenance, then yeah, it's gonna be around 2.5. But if you factor in maintenance, there's just, it's you got to replace all your gaskets, turbo gaskets. It's a lot of stuff to replace to make sure that you're going to be boosting correctly, since you're going to be throwing a lot more power at your car.
Okay. All right, guys. Well, we're going to do a little POV video now. So we'll get this shut and head off to location number 2.